When you are working on Samsung Galaxy phones, sometimes the pop-up will come to you like software install is pending and you have to update it. Otherwise, sometimes what you have to do, you only have to get inside and find out about any such software update is available on your Samsung phone or not. This is my S24 Ultra, wherein the software update is pending for a long time. I would like to show it to you how we can do the software update installation. For that, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Before going ahead with any software update installation, just scroll down like this from the top. You'll find on your top right corner this settings option. Tap on that one. On tapping, this would allow you to get into the menu section of your settings. This menu section would be very clearly indicating all the things. Just scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Somewhere from the down below, the third option or some other option of your Samsung Galaxy phone would indicate straight away for software update. After knowing this software update, if something is there, this will indicate with this color button. Like see, red color is indicating one software update is available on my S24 Ultra. Like in your case, you may also get it. After this, once you find out any update is there or not, if you don't have this dot also, go and tap on this one. This will get into again a software update. Download and install. If anything is there, they will let you know. Auto download whenever the Wi-Fi is connected, that time it will be automatically done. And last update has happened on 3rd December 2025. Now one update is pending here since 25th December, and I would like to go and download it. Tap on this. Upon tapping, very clearly this will show you software update is available, and there will be an option for schedule install. You can do it later also. Knowing this, you can leave here but schedule it whenever you want to do, like midnights or somewhere, or otherwise if you want to do it now, you go and go for install now. Tap it here on install now. This will take some time. Okay, see, this is preparing almost based on your internet speed. That would be done very fast way. After doing everything, that would again restart your phone. Probably it will be done in just a couple of seconds. I'd show it to you. Yes, Samsung has come up. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, and One UI is just popped up. It's continuously downloading. 25% over, and as soon as you see, this would be 100% over. Now 100% update has completed. UI side, and see this Samsung Galaxy again restarted, and this will pop up the home page. Now followed by powered by Android. So One UI is again optimizing all the apps. Go through this, you'll understand 99% apps are already optimized, and once it is done 100%, now it is 100%, straight away get into home page. See this? Yes, it's in home page now. Now you can see all the home page is done, and what are the pin you have given, that you can type it and it will enter into. Now my home page looks like this. That's all. This is so simple to get inside okay your phone and update your software. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.